A graph and equation of the function f of x are provided below. So here's the graph, here's the equation. I have a little b stuck there, so that's no fun. What is the value of b? Well, let's see what we have. Okay, I have no restrictions on the bottom. So what I'm going to do, since I'm dealing with horizontal asymptotes, is I'm going to factor out the bottom. Two numbers that add up to 8 and multiply out to 15 are going to be 5 and 3. Now, this is what I have. Okay, this is what I have so far. I have what appears to be right here, two vertical asymptotes. However, this picture here tells me that I only have one vertical asymptote, and it lives at -3. So you are a vertical asymptote. I do not have a vertical asymptote at 5, which is telling me, I'm sorry, -5, -5, which is telling me that I'm probably going to have a hole there. So that's going to be x plus 5 up there. Okay. Also, I have a 0 at 3, which tells me I should have a x minus 3 up here. So when I factor the top out, because all I really care about is the top, when I factor the top out, or FOIL rather, I get x squared minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. Combine those guys and you get x squared plus 2x minus 15. B is 2. So B is 2, and B is my answer.